погода дала еще даже немного снега. Сегодня 11 мая 23 года.
it, but you just don't get it. He knows a little about the fuse that I'm about to light, just how you want it. Standing waiting by the field, I better bring up the gun, I better bring up the thunder. Stop firing, I'll let you be the person with me, that you'll be living a lie, but you'll be living a lifetime losing it. Standing waiting by the field, I better bring up the gun, I better bring up the thunder. Stop firing, I'll let you be the person with me, that you'll be living a lie, but you'll be living a lifetime losing it. Standing waiting by the field, I better bring up the
My man got rich doing state time, didn't waste time, had him sniffing like K9s. In the day room, all he did was watch Dateline, then heard through the grapevine, some cats wanna shank slime. Audi A8, can't wait for that A9. Rolly Day Day, gold pearl or the face wine. When it come to bars, y'all sing like a Drake line. I don't need it hard, when you bring, don't break mine. Royal blue vet, white seats with blue heft. Tangerine rims, bent brim on that new Mets. Make the work slim, go in on that two-step, 3 necklace on crew necks. I'm reckless like who next? Soon as we do flex, they can't wait. Weed farms, we eating no grass like plant-based. About to heal more bloodshed than can mace. Line of crackheads is what I call a fan base. Arnie on my back begging me for the fan rate. Crooked but stand straight, since you and your man's fake. Y'all just get the nod, word to God, no handshakes. Put a strong stop to you niggas like land brakes. I don't have a bit of that in me, I can't hate. Type to don't owe none, I look up to no one. Before a dude go under the wing, put my own son. They put my dude right under the wing for an old one.
The Shogun. More money, more problems, rather than rich ones though. Being jealous and envious is a sickness, so those that couldn't be took, I let back, watch my curriculum show. Millions of dollars you find on my fingerprints on those. Home it get you seeing another birthday's a bonus, nigga. No need for sympathy, you can take your condolence with your problems and squeeze your life out. Your karma's a bone constrictor. Shit, if it would've came, what you recognize when the moment hit you. Rubber bands on dead people for purple pan bricks. We pick the armor depending on what the circumstances. Allergic to campus, my bitch do diamond and Birkin dances. I birthed all of your mans as baby burps and pampers. Desert eagle on the lips of hypocrites. Touching down in sixes like I missed my kicks. Feather rufflers shake down the families of witnesses. Never forget a number, I specialize in arithmetic. I'm like a belt collector, wit for wit. Bar for bar, realest nigga you took a picture with. Mutant when you seen us, my son is a baby genius. Ever since a teen it was visions of Navy Beamers. Niggas talking reckless but did a 180 seen us. You know us for bringing the steel in arenas like arenas. Take the smallest stretch to the tomb, I'm an extremist. Rub me wrong, revenge is coming full steam. My guillotine wish, I leave it stay the fuck from my eulogy. Cut the tail off you rat niggas for animal cruelty. No bail money and murders was a good afternoon for me. The nightmares come usually, I grew up on Krugger Street. These flip-floppers that throw shit on your name without losing sleep. Don't bring no kamikaze case around me, that's too much heat. Sometimes you gotta lose yourself when zoning the music's deep. Ain't no free rise to winning, nigga, learn how to use your feet. Don't trust nobody, I ain't showing love to anyone. Take it or leave it, this the realest song I ever sung. It ain't a game here, anywhere I go, weapons bro. The neighborhood's a battleground, watch where you steppin', son. Go out and get it, if you waiting waiting, it'll never come. You gotta live life to the fullest, ain't no second one.